Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can make 5G faster on your iPhone device. So it's very simple and easy. First of all, what you need to do is just head over to your settings, and inside your settings what you need to do is just go to mobile service right over here. Once you press on mobile service, right over here you need to have a SIM card obviously to run 5G. So I don't have a SIM card, but if you have it, you just need to press on your SIM option. Once you press on it, you'll see the option of voice and data. So what you need to do is just press on voice and data, and you'll see three options: 4G, 5G on, and 5G auto. Just put it on 5G on and make sure that it's on that setting, and you're good to go after that. Now after that, what you need to do, you just need to go to battery and make sure that your phone isn't running on low power mode. So just simply turn that off, and just basically your phone should be on normal battery, not low power mode. And then what you need to do after that, just simply go to general, scroll down a bit, and you'll see the option of VPN and device management. Just make sure that your phone isn't connected to any VPNs, and you're good after that. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.